Alright guys, so I was just showing a quick little clippy clip of me about to pack this order. She ordered the lavender bundle bag and she ordered 5 makeup bags, which I showed y'all a little clip. So in the next part I will be getting everything for the bundles, and I will not be talking in this video because it's probably gonna be a quick little long type video, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this right here is basically the little bundle that will go with the bucket bag. So you're gonna see me get those together. And then she ordered y'all, my lights done fell. She ordered an extra purple makeup bag, which will go with this set. So she got all of this stuff, and we're going to bundle this up and make it cute so we can ship it off. Alright, so this is the box that will ship to her. Super cute. So that is this box. Alright. Gotta have it perfection, y'all. Perfection. Because I gotta do my social media video. So we're gonna leave that right there. And then we have the purple makeup bag. Y'all might hear my daughter on her phone, but this is who's the background. Alright, so we need to add a logo sticker to this bag. So we got to add this. So this is the bag, and we're just gonna stuff all the items in here. So I gotta open up the bag first.